ticking hands to steer my day. The world is wide, I found my way. The song calls out, come out and play. This life is mine, no debts to pay. The hills are green, the river's wide. The open road, my only guide. No deadlines left, the cage inside. Just freedom's tune, my heart's confide. Freedom beyond the clock, ooh. Living where hearts unlock. Time's no more my block, ooh, yeah. The simple joys are all I need. The rustling leaves, a soulful creed. A quiet life, no rushing speed. Planting dreams like growing seed. The moon will rise, the stars will gleam. Life's a song, a waking dream. No longer trapped by the machine. I'm alive and I'm serene. Freedom beyond the clock, ooh. Living where hearts unlock. Time's no more my block, ooh, yeah. The hills are green, the river's wide. The open road, my only guide. No deadlines left, the cage inside. Just freedom's tune, my heart's confide. Freedom beyond the clock, ooh. Living where hearts unlock. Time's no more my block, ooh, yeah, yeah. The simple joys are all I need. The rustling leaves, a soulful creed. A quiet life, no rushing speed. Planting dreams like growing seed. The moon will rise, the stars will gleam. Life's a song, a waking dream. No longer trapped by the machine. I'm alive and I'm serene.
Snow falls gently on the street. Footprints form where loved ones meet. Bundled up, we walk in line. Hearts all warm, hands entwined. Lights aglow in every home. No one's left to be alone. Voices rise in joyful sound. Family love, the best around. Snowy streets, family feasts. Love and laughter never cease. By the table, side by side. Together here, hearts open wide. Plates are filled, the laughter flows. Stories shared as fire glows. From youngest voice to elders' tale. Every heart feels strong and held. Snowy streets, family feasts. Love and laughter never cease. By the table, side by side. Together here, hearts open wide. Lights aglow in every home. No one's left to be alone. Voices arise in joyful sound. Family love, the best around. Snowy streets, family feasts. Love and laughter never cease. By the table, side by side. Together here, hearts open wide. In every bite, in every smile, we find our home across the miles. A winter night forever sweet. With family love on snowy streets. Train pulls into through fields of white. See the town in the soft moonlight. Faces waiting, arms open wide. Finally home by your side. Candles flicker, wreaths on the door. Footsteps echo on the old wood floor. Laughter fills the cozy room. Memories bloom in winter's gloom. Home for the holidays, here to stay. Love and warmth won't fade away. In this place we find our way. Home for the holidays. Snow falls down on cobblestone streets. Families gather, voices meet. In every hug, a warmth we know. A holiday glow in the falling snow. Home for the holidays, here to stay. Love and warmth won't fade away. In this place we find our way. Home for the holidays. Through the years, come what may, hearts remember here will stay. Forever bound through joy and pain. Home for the holidays again. Snow falls gently, covers the ground. Laughter echoes, such a joyful sound. Inside the house, lights softly glow. Family gathered, hearts all aglow. Mugs of cocoa, fireside cheer. Stories and memories from every year. Wrapped in blankets, warm and tight. Under one roof on this winter night. Snowflakes fall, soft and white. In each other's arms we hold tight. Love and warmth fill this place. In snowflakes and warm embrace. Children's laughter dancing around. Footprints fresh on snowy ground. Hands held close, spirits high. Under the magic of a winter sky. Snowflakes fall, soft and white. In each other's arms we hold. Hands held close, spirits high, under the magic of a winter sky. Snowflakes fall, soft and white, in each other's arms we hold. The road it bends, it whispers low, through valleys wide, where rivers flow. No walls to bind, no place to go. This wandering life is all I know. The morning sun lights up the trail, the scent of pine, fresh and gale. No city clocks, no clanging rail, just endless skies and freedom sail. The road calls me home, ooh, where the wild winds roam. Ah, the road calls me home, ooh, life's my own home. Yeah, the night descends, the fire burns bright, the stars above, my guiding light. No bosses shout, no 9 to 5 fight. The open world feels so right. The rolling hills, the mountain peaks, the life I want is what I seek. No schedules tied, no tired weeks, just quiet roads and timeless streets. The road calls me home, ooh, where the wild winds roam. Ah, the road calls me home, ooh, life's my own home. Yeah. The road calls me home, ooh, where the wild winds roam. Ah, the road calls me home, ooh, life's my own home. Yeah. The road it bends, the fire burns bright, the stars above, my guiding light. No bosses shout, no 9 to 5 fight. The open world feels so right. Frosted windows, stars above. In this room, we feel the love. Logs crackle, casting a glow. Family close, warmth in the snow. Voices soft, tales retold. Stories of young and stories of old. Blankets wrapped, laughter bright, together here by the firelight. By the firelight, hearts ignite, holding close through the winter night. Love surrounds, pure and bright, together here by the firelight. By the firelight, hearts ignite, holding close through the winter night. Love surrounds, pure and bright, together here by the firelight. Gifts wrapped up, tied with care. Joy and peace fill the air. Smiles shared, moments dear. This is the magic, year by year. By the firelight, hearts ignite, holding close through the winter night. Love surrounds, pure and bright, together here by the firelight. By the firelight, by the firelight. Snow falls softly, stars shine clear. Memories made that keep us near. In this glow we find our light, forever bound by the firelight. Snow falls gently, covers the ground. Laughter echoes, such a joyful sound. Inside the house, lights softly glow.